Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cord replacement is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of maintaining your wind chimes. Over time, the cords that hold those beautiful, melodic chimes together can fray, break, or simply wear out from the elements. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of wind chime cord replacement, showing you how to breathe new life into your favorite outdoor decor. Number 5. PandaHall 1.5mm Black Nylon Cord. This black nylon cord is 1.5mm in diameter and 100 yards long. It can bear up to 4 kilograms, making it perfect for various projects. It's a reliable choice for your crafting needs. Made from nylon with a satiny sheen, it's smooth and soft. The cord is resistant to UV rays, preventing damage from sunlight. It's great for replacing cords in blinds and wind chimes. Use it for beading, macrame, and kumihimo jewelry. It's also suitable for costume making and various crafting projects. The cord is a great choice for your creative endeavors. This cord is perfect for restringing blinds, tying plants, and repairing wind chimes. It's also useful for making clotheslines and repairing fabric covers. It'll come in handy for small projects around the house. It's versatile and suitable for plant bundles, outdoor gear, and home decor. You can use it for quilting, sewing, knotting, and DIY projects. The cord is a great addition to your crafting supplies. What we like. This cord's 1.5mm diameter and 100-yard length make it ideal for various projects. It's perfect for those who need a reliable cord for beading, wind chimes, or even small household repairs. If you're looking for a versatile and durable cord for multiple uses, this is a great choice. What people say. Good strong string to fix my wind chimes. Excellent cord used to restring wind chime. The string was the right size, easy to cut. I melted the ends of the cord after cutting it, and also melted it a bit after tying a knot. It seems like a strong cord. I hope it holds up to the weather. Number 4. PandaHall 0.8mm Nylon Beading String. This 0.8mm nylon beading string is perfect for various crafts. It's strong enough to handle at least 8.5 pounds, making it ideal for jewelry and other projects. With a diameter of about 0.8mm, it's great for making knotted necklaces, bracelets, and more. The size is just right for detailed work, allowing for intricate designs. Each string is about 100 yards long, providing ample material for your creative endeavors. You'll have plenty to complete multiple projects with this length. Use it for beading, macrame, kumihimo jewelry, and garment making. It's also suitable for crafting, wrapping, and even making handmade signs. Made from nylon with a nice satiny sheen, it's smooth and soft without snags. It also has excellent resistance to UV rays, preventing it from drying out. It's great for repairing and restringing blinds and shades. You can also use it for gardening, outdoor gear, and curtain drawstring repair. What we like. The 0.8mm diameter is perfect for delicate projects. Its braided design and UV resistance ensure longevity, especially in outdoor settings. If you are working on jewelry making or need a cord that can withstand sunlight, this cord is a great option. What people say. The cord is the perfect size for my wind chimes. The cord is strong and durable. The cord is easy to work with. Number 3. Atwood Rope MFG 1.18mm Micro Cord, Black. This is a small, high-tech braided cord. It's incredibly strong and lightweight. Its compact design makes it easy to carry. You can use it around the house, in the garage, or on the trail. It's perfect for various projects and situations. Use it for jewelry, backpacks, emergency kits, and more. This cord is also great for bracelets, keychains, and camping gear. It measures 1.18mm with a tensile strength of 100 pounds. The weight is approximately 2 ounces 35 g. It features a full fiber core and is built to last. The color will not run or bleed. It's made from polyester and nylon string, ensuring its durability and reliability. What we like. This cord boasts a high tensile strength in a lightweight design. Its durable material ensures it can handle various tasks without adding bulk. If you like a strong, reliable cord for camping, emergency kits, or general use, consider this one. What people say. Used this to restoring my wife's wind chimes. It worked great. This kept the cord from unraveling, and it does unravel quickly. Used this to fix 3 of my wind chimes. Looks to be the same or better than the original chime strings. Perfect thickness. I cut and use lighter to melt the cut ends to prevent fraying. Number 2. 9 km DWLIFE Kevlar cord, high strength outdoor string. This cord is made with 100% Kevlar braiding, making it incredibly strong and resistant to deformation. It's perfect for various outdoor activities, such as a kite line or ridge line. Anglers also find it ideal for creating fishing assist jig hook lines. The Kevlar cord offers exceptional wear and cutting resistance. It can endure rough and sharp surfaces in outdoor environments. You can use it for hanging bear bags, repairing wind chimes, or even as a simple cutting saw. This line has unique flame retardancy, making it suitable for camping stove and chimney tie lines. It provides flame-resistant protection from potential fire hazards, giving you peace of mind. A small spool of this survival cordage is easy to carry. You can put it in any corner of your backpack and start your hiking trip with ease and pleasure. It won't weigh you down. This Kevlar string is great for tough tasks. With high friction resistance, it's perfect for camping, hiking, and hunting. It's a reliable tool for any outdoor adventure. What we like. Made from Kevlar, this cord offers exceptional wear and flame resistance. It's perfect for demanding outdoor applications. If you need a cord that can withstand harsh conditions and potential fire hazards, you should consider this. What people say. Needed cord to repair wind chimes. Very strong string, a bit hard to cut with even very sharp scissors. Worked exactly as I needed and probably will have a ton of uses. Small and strong cord. Used to repair patio umbrella but many other applications. The strength for my wind chimes is spot on. The color and thickness are very good. Number 1. Nylon braided cord 1.5 mm x 175 yards. This extra strong cord is perfect for a variety of projects. It's durable and can handle many different tasks. You get a generous 175 yards, 160 meters, on a single spool. This means you'll have plenty of it for all your creative needs. Use it for jewelry making, beading, or crafting. It's also great for repairs around the house or outdoor projects. The tightly braided weave is non-stretch and wear-resistant. It's designed to last and maintain its shape over time. The ends can be easily cut and sealed. It also works well with glue and varnish, making it simple to use for your projects. What we like. This cord is extra strong and comes in a generous 175-yard spool. Its non-stretch properties make it ideal for projects where maintaining shape is crucial. If you are looking for a long-lasting and reliable cord for crafts or repairs, it's a great choice. What people say. Great cord. Exactly the size I wanted. Using it to restring my wind chime. Looks just like the old one. Seems strong. Worked very well for restoring a chime made up of a set of aluminum tubes. The cord does not leave you with frazzled ends when you cut a length off. Restrung the different types of wind chimes with ease. Doesn't fray too bad when stringing and easy to tie knots. Easy to manipulate through the chime tubs as it has just enough rigidity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.